TEAS exam. Question 1. After Green Group 4 reads a passage about active recall during the exam prep review, which sentence states the main idea? Option A. Notes should never be reviewed. Option B. Guessing replaces studying. Option C. Active recall strengthens learning. Option D. Only science topics need practice. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because it summarizes why answering from memory improves retention. Notes should never be reviewed is wrong because the passage compares methods but does not ban notes, and guessing replaces studying is wrong because active recall is used with study, not instead of it. Only science topics need practice is wrong because the passage is about a study strategy, not one subject. Question 2. When Green Group 4 sees details that the author describes a quiet room, a closed phone drawer, and a timer set for 30 minutes, which inference is most reasonable? Option A. The author dislikes all technology. Option B. The room is unsafe. Option C. The timer is broken. Option D. The setting is designed for focused study. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because quiet, phone-free conditions and a timer all support concentration. The author dislikes all technology is wrong because only the phone distraction is limited, and the room is unsafe is wrong because nothing indicates danger. The timer is broken is wrong because the timer is described as set, not broken. Question 3. During Green Group 4's exam prep review, a passage lists 3 benefits of early registration and urges readers to sign up before Friday. Which author purpose fits best? Option A. To define every testing rule. Option B. To entertain readers with a story. Option C. To compare 2 unrelated schools. Option D. To persuade readers to register early. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the benefits and deadline are meant to move readers toward action. To define every testing rule is wrong because the prompt mentions benefits and a deadline, not all rules, and to entertain readers with a story is wrong because there is no plot or characters for entertainment. To compare 2 unrelated schools is wrong because no comparison of schools is given. Question 4. While Green Group 4 outlines a passage that places general study advice first and then gives examples for each subject, which structure is being used? Option A. General to specific. Option B. Circular reasoning. Option C. Contrast only. Option D. Spatial order. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the passage starts broadly and narrows to examples. Circular reasoning is wrong because that is a logic problem, not the organization shown, and contrast only is wrong because the passage is not only showing differences. Spatial order is wrong because no physical location is being described. Question 5. Before Green Group 4 accepts the claim that reading directions carefully prevents mistakes, which detail gives the strongest support? Option A. In one review, most missed items came from ignoring words such as except and first. Option B. The test room was quiet. Option C. The school opened in 1998. Option D. One student wore a blue jacket. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the evidence connects direction words with missed questions. The test room was quiet is wrong because a quiet room does not prove direction reading prevents errors, and the school opened in 1998 is wrong because the school date does not support the claim. One student wore a blue jacket is wrong because clothing is irrelevant. Question 6. Since Green Group 4 sees the word infer in, students had to infer the author's opinion from clues in the paragraph, which meaning fits the context? Option A. Figure out from evidence. Option B. Copy word for word. Option C. Measure with a ruler. Option D. Erase a mistake. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because infer means to reach a conclusion using clues rather than a direct statement. Copy word for word is wrong because copying does not involve reasoning from clues, and measure with a ruler is wrong because physical measurement does not fit author opinion. Erase a mistake is wrong because erasing is unrelated to drawing conclusions. Question 7. Given Green Group 4 answers 3 out of 4 practice items correctly, which percent matches the result? Option A, 13.33%. Option B, 75%. Option C, 42.86%. Option D, 25%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75, and multiplying by 100 gives 75%. 13.33% is wrong because it uses the wrong comparison instead of dividing the part by the whole, and 42.86% is wrong because it compares the part to the total plus the part or uses an incomplete setup. 25% is wrong because it subtracts before converting rather than converting the given fraction. Question 8. If Green Group 4's score rises from 60 to 75, what percent increase should be recorded? Option A, 125%. Option B, 20%. Option C, 15%. Option D, 25%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the increase is 15, and 15 divided by the original score 60 equals 25%. 125% is wrong because it gives the new score as a percent of the old score, not the percent increase, and 20% is wrong because it divides by the new value instead of the original value. 15% is wrong because it reports the raw point gain rather than dividing by the original value. Question 9. Suppose Green Group 4 solves 4x plus 10 equals 22. Which value of x makes the equation true? Option A, 3. Option B, 2. Option C, 12. Option D, 4. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because subtracting 10 leaves 4x equals 12, and dividing by 4 gives x equals 3. 2 is wrong because it reverses or skips part of the inverse operation, and 12 is wrong because it treats the constant or coefficient as if it were the final answer. 4 is wrong because it is one step away from the value that balances both sides. Question 10. Using Green Group 4's rectangle diagram with 8 cm long and 4 cm wide, which area should be recorded? Option A, 12 square cm. Option B, 4 square cm. Option C, 32 square cm. Option D, 24 centimeters. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because area is length times width, so 8 times 4 equals 32. 12 square cm is wrong because it adds the sides rather than multiplying them, and 4 square cm is wrong because it subtracts dimensions, which does not measure area. 24 centimeters is wrong because that is the perimeter, not the area. Question 11. From Green Group 4's measurement note of 3.5 g, which conversion to mg is accurate? Option A, 35 milligrams. Option B, 0.0035 milligrams. Option C, 350 milligrams. Option D, 3,500 milligrams. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams, so 3.5 times 1,000 equals 3,500 milligrams. 35 milligrams is wrong because it moves the decimal 2 places too few, and 0.0035 milligrams is wrong because it converts in the opposite direction. 350 milligrams is wrong because it multiplies by 100 instead of 1,000. Question 12. In Green Group 4's score set 64, 59, 72, 71, 86, which median should be reported? Option A, 86. Option B, 70.4. Option C, 59. Option D, 71. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the scores are ordered as 59, 64, 71, 72, 86, and the middle value rule gives 71. 86 is wrong because it selects another listed score instead of the central value, and 70.4 is wrong because it uses a mean-like or added value rather than the median method. 59 is wrong because it is an extreme value or unrelated value rather than the middle after sorting. Question 13. For Green Group 4, 4 review packets cost $16. At the same rate, how much do 8 packets cost? Option A, $32. Option B, $28. Option C, $32. Option D, $24. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because $16 divided by 4 gives $4 per packet, and 8 packets cost $32. $32 is wrong because it multiplies the two quantities and ignores the price, and $28 is wrong because it is 1 unit price short of the proportional cost. $24 is wrong because it adds the new quantity to the old cost instead of finding the unit rate. Question 14. Near Green Group 4's cell energy review, which organelle matches the function being reviewed? Option A, ribosomes. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, Golgi apparatus. Option D, nucleus. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because mitochondria are the main site of ADP production during cellular respiration. Ribosomes is wrong because ribosomes build proteins rather than making most ADP, and Golgi apparatus is wrong because the Golgi modifies and packages molecules. Nucleus is wrong because the nucleus stores DNA and controls cell activities. Question 15. Because Green Group 4 traces circulation and blood leaves the right ventricle, where does it go next? Option A, pulmonary artery toward the lungs. Option B, vena cava toward the right atrium. Option C, pulmonary vein toward the left atrium. Option D, aorta toward the body. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. Vena cava toward the right atrium is wrong because the vena cava brings blood into the heart, and pulmonary vein toward the left atrium is wrong because pulmonary veins return blood from lungs, not from the right ventricle. Aorta toward the body is wrong because the aorta receives oxygenated blood from the left ventricle. Question 16. Although Green Group 4 sees alveoli drawn as tiny sacs, which feature helps oxygen enter blood quickly? Option A, a large surface area. Option B, a sealed membrane with no blood flow. Option C, a layer of enamel. Option D, a small surface area. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because many tiny sacs create more area for oxygen and carbon dioxide to diffuse. A sealed membrane with no blood flow is wrong because blood flow is needed to carry gases, and a layer of enamel is wrong because enamel is tooth tissue, not lung tissue. A small surface area is wrong because less area would reduce gas exchange. Question 17. Once Green Group 4 notices that body temperature rises and sweating begins, which process explains the response? Option A, negative feedback. Option B, osmosis only. Option C, passive immunity. Option D, positive feedback. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because sweating helps reverse the temperature increase and return the body toward normal range. Osmosis only is wrong because osmosis is water movement across a membrane and does not describe this whole response, and passive immunity is wrong because passive immunity involves receiving antibodies. Positive feedback is wrong because positive feedback amplifies a change instead of reversing it. Question 18. Where Green Group 4 studies genetics and two heterozygous parents have genotype BB, which offspring chance matches the expected result? Option A, 25%. Option B, 50%. Option C, 75%. Option D, 100%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a BB times BB cross gives BB, 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 and BB, so 1 of 4 shows the recessive phenotype. 50% is wrong because 2 of 4 offspring are carriers but only 1 shows the recessive phenotype, and 75% is wrong because 3 of 4 have the dominant phenotype, not the recessive phenotype. 100% is wrong because not every offspring receives 2 recessive alleles. Question 19. As Green Group 4 reviews chemistry and a substance speeds up a reaction without being used up, which conclusion follows? Option A, catalyst. Option B, product. Option C, reactant. Option D, solvent. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a catalyst lowers activation energy and remains available after the reaction. Product is wrong because products are formed by reactions, and reactant is wrong because reactants are consumed or changed during reactions. Solvent is wrong because solvents dissolve substances but do not necessarily speed reactions. Question 20. Under Green Group 4's experiment testing whether fertilizer affects plant height, which setup is the control group? Option A, plants grown with double fertilizer and extra light. Option B, plants measured with a different ruler. Option C, plants grown without fertilizer under the same light and water conditions. Option D, plants watered randomly each day. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a control group should lack the tested fertilizer while keeping other conditions the same. Plants grown with double fertilizer and extra light is wrong because two variables change at once, and plants measured with a different ruler is wrong because measurement method should stay consistent. Plants watered randomly each day is wrong because random watering adds another variable. Question 21. Between Green Group 4's grammar options, which sentence uses subject-verb agreement correctly? Option A. The nurses in the hallway was checking the chart. Option B. The nurse in the hallway are checking the chart. Option C. The nurses in the hallway are checking the chart. Option D. The nurses in the hallway is checking the chart. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the plural subject nurses agrees with R. The nurses in the hallway was checking the chart is wrong because was does not agree with plural nurses, and the nurse in the hallway are checking the chart is wrong because are does not agree with singular nurse. The nurses in the hallway is checking the chart is wrong because is does not agree with plural nurses. Question 22. Inside Green Group 4's sentence, Maria and Elena checked blank answers twice. Which pronoun should replace the blank? Option A, their. Option B, her. Option C, its. Option D, herself. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because Maria and Elena form a plural antecedent, so there is appropriate. Her is wrong because her refers to one female person, not two people, and its is wrong because its is used for a thing or organization, not two named people. Herself is wrong because herself is reflexive and singular. Question 23. Through Green Group 4's punctuation review, which sentence uses a semicolon correctly? Option A, Maya studied, because science was hard. Option B, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option C, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. Option D, Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because both sides of the semicolon are complete related sentences. Maya studied, because science was hard, is wrong because the second part is not an independent clause, and Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math is wrong because the first part is a run-on before the semicolon. Maya studied science, Jordan reviewed math is wrong because the mark separates the subject from the verb. Question 24. According to Green Group 4's grammar check, which revision fixes the run-on sentence? Option A. She reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar. Option B. She reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar. Option C. She reviewed grammar before the quiz, so the rules felt familiar. Option D. Reviewing grammar before the quiz, so familiar. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because so with a comma correctly shows a cause-effect relationship between clauses. She reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar, is wrong because a comma alone is not enough, and she reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar, is wrong because the independent clauses are fused. Reviewing grammar before the quiz, so familiar, is wrong because the wording is a fragment. Question 25. Beyond Green Group 4's vocabulary drill, which meaning does the prefix peri-at? Option A, around. Option B, inside. Option C, outside, far away. Option D, new. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because peri means around, as in pericardium, around the heart. Inside is wrong because inside is endo-, and outside, far away is wrong because outside or external is exo or extra depending context. New is wrong because new is neo-.